Okay, sagot tayo ng question. Yung cage, saan po nabili? So, yung tinutukoy ni ma'am dito is itong metal cage ng Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Yan, as you can see, ito yung kanyang vertical na mount para kapag gagamitin natin siya na naka-vertical. So, I'm using the camera, Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So, para buksan lang siya, itong may red na part. Pupull nyo lang yan. Then, o-open na siya. Lulusot nyo lang dito sa gitna yung camera. And then, taas. Then, yan. Ipapress lang natin hanggang sa mag-click. And also, what I like about this metal cage ng Ace Pro 2 is pwede natin buksan yung battery compartment without even removing the camera itself. So, meron ditong button sa part na to. I-press lang natin to and then mabubuksan na natin yung battery compartment. So, pwede na natin tanggalin yung battery, balitan yung battery without even removing it sa loob ng cage. Medyo pricey lang to pero worth it naman yung quality nito kaysa bumili kayo ng plastic cage and magpalit kayo every time na masisira. Over time kasi nagagato kasi yon. So, for durability and for safety ng camera, dito pa rin tayo. Ito pa rin yung the best. So, this is from FlyMile. So, if you're looking or interested in this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.